It's Friday, you've had a busy day at work, stressed, your boss has been moaning at you, so many things to do, busy and stressful, but the weekend's coming. So we're going to do a little bit of tapping just to release all that stress and start the weekend brilliantly. Before we go any further, just a quick disclaimer. This is only a demonstration video. It may help you a lot and the technique is easy to use, but please, if you're having issues, please see a doctor or a practitioner. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of tapping, EFT. If you don't know what it is, don't worry too much. Just copy what I'm doing and what I'm saying. If you miss a tapping point or if you mumble the words, don't worry, just carry on. So think of your stressful week on a scale of 0 to 10, with 10 being the worst and 0 being no problem at all. And keep that number in mind as we do some tapping. Okay, we're going to start with the karate chop point. Just tap like that with 2 fingers at a nice even pace. And just copy what I'm saying. Even though I've had a busy and stressful week, I fully accept myself. Even though I've had a busy, stressful week, I completely accept myself. Even though I've had a busy, stressful and overwhelming week at work, I completely and totally accept myself anyway. Okay, just tap here, top of the eye. This has been a long week. So much to think about and process. All this stress I've been carrying. Deadlines, conversations and expectations. Maybe I didn't get everything done. Breathe in. Maybe I'm still replaying moments. Under the arm, all this tension in my body. Top of the head, 5 fingers. I can feel how tired I am. Okay, what's your score now on a scale of 0 to 10? Don't worry if it's not changed too much, because we're going to do some more tapping. Next round now, we're going to do the same thing, maybe the words will be slightly different. Tap again. Even though I still have some stress and worries from work, I completely accept myself. Even though I still have some stress and worries at work, from the working week, I completely accept myself. Even though I still have some worries remaining from work this week, I fully and completely accept myself anyway. Top of the eye again. Part of me is still holding on to it. Side of the eye, still thinking about work. Under the eye, still carrying the pressure. Under the nose, it's hard to fully switch off. Chin, but I'm here now. Collarbone, breathe in. And I'm allowed to rest. Under the arm, I don't have to carry this any longer. On top of the head, I can begin to let go. Okay, what's your score now? Hopefully it's getting a bit lower. But don't worry, we're going to do another round. Next round now, same thing, just slightly different words. Even though I still have some remaining stress and worry from work that I would like to release, I fully accept myself. Even though I still have some remaining worry from work, I still accept myself. Even though I have some remaining worry and stress and problems from work, which I would like to release, I fully and completely accept myself anyway. Okay, eyebrow. Releasing the tension from this work. Side of the eye. Letting go of what I can't control. Under the eye, softening the tiredness and tension in my body. Under the nose, allowing my mind to slow down. Chin. It's safe to relax now. Collarbone, breathe in. I did what I could. Under the arm, and that is enough. Top of the head. I'm choosing peace in this moment. Okay, Well, I'm feeling more relaxed just tapping. So I'm sure your score is going lower and lower. We really want it down to a 2 or 1, so let's do another round of tapping. Round 4 now. Okay, let's go, same thing. Even though I still have a bit of tension and worry left in my body from work, I fully accept myself. Even though I still have a bit more tension and stress from work that I would like to release, I fully accept myself. Even though I still have some more tension and worry, I fully and completely accept myself anyway. Okay. Eyebrow. Letting go of this negativity. Side of the eye. Any frustration or doubt. Under the eye. Any pressure I placed on myself. Under the nose. I release it gently. Chin. I don't need to hold on to it. Collarbone, breathe in. I can learn to move forward. Under the arm without carrying the weight. Top of the head, I choose calm and clarity. There we go. It doesn't matter if you mess the words up slightly. Just do your best. And I'm sure your score now is going lower and lower. Let's do another round. Next round now. Same thing again. Even though I still have a bit of stress from work I would like to release, I fully accept myself. Even though I still have a bit of stress left from work I would like to release, I completely accept myself. Even though I still have a bit of stress left from work, I fully and completely accept myself anyway. My body is unwinding. My mind is becoming still. I'm stepping out of work mode and into rest. I give myself permission to switch off. I missed the point now, it doesn't matter. I give myself permission to switch off, to recharge and to rest. I deserve this time. I am at ease. Okay, hopefully your score now is 0 or 1. If it's not, just watch this video again and in a short time it should be a 0 or 1.